teach you how to upload your videos to YouTube. So again, because you've already got a Blogger account that's connected to a Gmail email address, that coincides with YouTube. So when you are in your YouTube homepage, currently I'm already logged in, but you should just be able to log in using your Blogger account. So come back to the homepage once you've logged in and then click on the Create button. Then click on Upload Video. And then you can select your files from wherever you've located them. I'm just going to leave mine on the desktop. Once it's uploaded into this page, just give it a brief title. My practice pitch is fine, my final pitch. You won't need to put anything in the description box. It's not a mandatory box to complete, and then don't worry about the thumbnails or anything else. If you click next, every time you click next, it will force you to complete something that you need to do. So here you have to identify who the audience is. So just click yes, it's made for kids, then next, and then next. And then this is another page that you have to complete. Please make sure you post it as unlisted. If it's public, then everyone can see it and we don't want that. And if it's private, then it's only you and us, i.e. your teachers, that will have access to it. And as this will be externally moderated by OCR, just keep it as unlisted. And that's so that anyone that has the link can view it, which will be you, us, and the moderator. Just click save, and then it will take you to this page once you've clicked close. And then it will upload here where it is that your video is processing. So you've got one of two options. You can either wait until it processes. It shouldn't take very long. Or you can start watching it. Just click on the play button. Obviously it's processing at the moment. And then scroll down here and then you click on the share button. From there you click on the embed button and then you just copy that embed link. So once it's copied, head back over to your blog account, which is probably on Compose View. You've probably written a subheading already. Just change Compose to HTML. And then after the code that already exists, just paste your new embed code. And there you are. If your video fails to process, there will be a little link around here and you can click view more. Once you click there, or learn more, once you click on that, it will take you to a new web page, and all you need to do is verify your mobile number. It's very simple. It takes you to a different web page. Click on the verify link, add in your personal phone number, and it will send you a Google code. You put your code in, and then you come back and you restart this whole process again, just create and upload. That verification basically allows you to create a video or post a video that is longer than 10 minutes. Otherwise, YouTube just believes it's spam. So it's very simple to rectify that. Don't panic if you come across that as an issue.